Hello children, the next topic in the same lesson is motion. Motion is nothing but movement. See, you are walking from your class to your principal room, you are under motion. Suppose you are pushing an object from one place to another place, it's under motion. Okay, but motion takes time also. See, if you are walking from point A to B, it takes 5 minutes. We call it as a motion. It is taking time also. When you want to define motion, you have to define like this. Object in which they are moving, that they are changing their place with time. They are not going to stay in a particular place. They are moving from one place to another place, taking one certain time limit that we define as a motion. We have, suppose something is at rest. Suppose you are keeping a pen on a table. You are moving from the right side of the table to the left side. The pen you are moving, it takes time. But when you are keeping a pen on the table, it is at rest. It is at rest. But if started moving, it is started moving. That is motion. The motion changes the place. See, a motion takes time and changes the object's place. See, you are standing in a place. You are at rest. You have started moving from one place to another place. From class A to class B. Right? You are standing in class A, you are at rest. You are moving to class B, you are under movement. That time, your position changes. You are moving. Right? You are taking some time from your class A to class B. You are taking some time. These are all the characters of here. See, a car moves here, a red color car moving in a straight line. We call it as a motion changing. See, it is crossing all the places in taking some time. See, there is a clock going. It takes from 1 minute to 1 second to 9 seconds from A to B. That's what I told you. From class A to class B, you are taking 9 seconds. Yes? Maybe you have moved from maybe 500 meter you would have moved. Rectilinear motion moving in a straight line. Suppose a car moves in a straight line, or you are running in a straight line, or a ball moves in a straight line. The types of motion you have rectilinear, that's one. Circular motion. Circular motion, it moves on a circumference. Circumference means that circle. See, the earth goes around the earth moves, yes or no? All the planets moves around. Yes? The earth moves around the earth movement, we call it as a circular motion. But the fan is the rotational motion. Why we call it as a rotational motion? It is because it moves with an axis. It moves in an axis. Next is a periodic motion. Periodic motion means it takes a particular time. For example, if you see a clock, you can see a small thing, a bob. That is a periodic motion. Someone is moving, a cyclist moving in a circular motion in a particular time. He keeps a time and moving. That is also a periodic motion. Actually, the earth shows rotational motion because we have an axis going through. Here, you call it as here the car moves In two types of motion, you call it as periodic motion or rotational motion. The first one is a straight line, straight road. This is car, this is a rectilinear motion. But the wheels of the car goes the rotational motion. The car moves in a straight line. So, it can show two motions at a time. Okay, the wheels of the car moves in a rotational motion, but the car goes in a straight line, rectilinear motion. The simple pendulum, rotational and rectilinear motion, goes to the pendulum. This pendulum moves a periodic motion. Periodic motion. Yes, it goes in a particular time, to and fro motion. Okay? Now, is there any other movement in that? It is in a periodic. It takes in a particular time. Now, city A to city B, or that's why I told you class 8. You want to go by a bicycle and by a aeroplane. Now, you use an aeroplane. Why? Because it goes by a great speed. What is speed? The time taken by a particular vehicle. Time taken by a particular vehicle, that is called the speed of the vehicle. That the speed can be calculated according to the time. The speed can be calculated according to the time. First you learn about all the motions. What are the motions you have learned? Rectilinear motion, circular motion, rotational motion and periodic motion. The rectilinear motion, it goes in a straight line. Circular motion, it goes in a round, circle, circumferences. Examples I told you, circular path of a earth, and if you tie a stone and you go on a circle it, that is also a circular motion. And fan is a circular motion. And see, you have seen they call it as taking oil. See, you must have seen bullock cart. It is also a circular motion, but that we have to change it to the rotational motion. It is because there is an axis in the center. Here also the earth also has an axis. That is a rotational motion. There is a difference between rotational motion and circular motion because there is an axis. The wheel of a cart, it is a rotational motion because in the movie, Vadivelu will take one iron bar and the wheel will go, no? That iron bar is an axis. Here, the earth, you have an axis. When there is no axis, that is a circular motion. See, this stone with a rope doesn't have an axis. It is not moving the circumference from end to end. It is only one side. That is a circular motion. Okay? Other things are rotational motion. See, if you take this top, you have a small nail there down. That is a rotational motion. Then periodic motion, oscillation of pendulum, motion of a swing in a particular this one. These are all the different types of motion, and you will be learning little more explanation about the speed, because from city A to from Chennai to Delhi, if you want to go, you prefer only flight, not by cycle. It is because it's speed and less time. If you take a cycle, the speed is less, the time is more. Here, when the speed is more, time will be less. When the speed is less, time will be more. That calculation, I just go through your book, whether if it is there for you in this class, I will just explain to you that also. the movement of the moon around the sun. It is also a motion. It is we call it as a revolution of the earth. That is also a circular motion or rotational motion, you call it as. And that all that we will go through little more expansion. Speed, about speed. In this I'll stop it. I'll continue the next week of the lesson. Thank you.